If you are planning one last vacation, right? We want to squeeze as much as we can out of summer if you still have a few days left, or maybe you're just looking ahead to a getaway for the up and coming Labor Day holiday. We have a tip that just may change the way you pack forever. That sounds dramatic, but here we go.
I'm Casey Matheny, fashion and style contributor, and I've got a great big sister tip for you. No one likes showing up to vacation with a squished hat, so here is how I like to pack mine. So first, I'm gonna start with a soft layer in the bottom of my bag, just using a dress here. I'll place the hat, then I'm gonna treat this hat like a little egg and build a nest around it with my clothes. I'm gonna tuck it in nice and tight. I've got dresses, skirts, pajamas, shorts, you name it. All of my clothes go around it so that it is nice and flat and tight. Then I'm gonna fill the inside of my hat to keep it shape. Here I'm just using workout clothes. And then when everything feels tight and secure, you can close it up and show up to your vacation with a hat that is not squished.
Listen, girlfriend's a fashionista and also a bit of a genius. I actually would have never thought about that. I'm not a huge hat wearer, but that makes sense to give it the cushion and the support, the structure it needs to make it to the destination in shape and in place. Casey Matheny, thank you so much. We love our contributors for all the great advice and inspiration they share every day here on Studio 5.